How to upload a video to Google Drive and share the link on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get it uploaded and accessible to anyone with just a link. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device and make sure you're logged in. From there, navigate to the folder where you want to upload the video, or tap the plus button to create a new folder to keep things organized. After that, once you're inside the right folder, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. At this point, select Upload from the options that appear. From there, browse through your files or gallery and find the video you want to upload. Following this, if you want to upload multiple videos at once, long press to start selecting them and tap Select at the top right once you've chosen everything you need. After that, tap Upload and give it a moment. Larger videos may take a little longer depending on your connection speed. Once the upload is complete, find the video in your drive and tap the three dots next to it. From there, tap Manage Access to open the sharing settings. At this stage, tap Change next to the Access option and select Anyone with the link. This will allow anyone you share the link with to view the video without needing a Google account. Finally, copy the link and share it however you'd like, through a message, email, or any other platform. That's how you upload and share a video on Google Drive. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!